Hello, so we're going to start working on our ingot, our wire ingot in particular for this one. I just wanted to show you the, and maybe you guys have used this already, but just a quick review then. Here's a scale, and you'll find a similar one in the office. So when you go to use the scale, because you're going to have to separate your metal, you'll receive 36 grams of casting grain, or you can also use some of your own scraps for this operation. You'll need to separate it, or at least weigh out 6 grams for your wire ingot, and you'll have 30 grams of sterling silver for your sheet ingot. So let's take a look. So I'm going to turn my scale on. The one in the office may look a little bit different, but one of the things I want to make sure is that this says grams, okay? Because there are different settings. This is ounces, okay. Other ones in here, carats. This is my scale anyways, and they do vary. So I've got it back on grams. So we're weighing out little particles, so I've got a container here. So what happens when I put on the container? Well, it's at 15.3 grams. All we need to do is zero it, okay? And you guys may not have to do this. Take a look when you turn it on. Zero. I think I just need to push that once. Yep. And there we are. So it is zeroed. It's at 0 grams. So now I can add some metal in. I'm going to pour it into the container. Oh, I've got a little too much there. I only need 6.0 grams. Now, one of the things I just want to remind you is to be gentle with our scale, okay? Don't go putting your books on it or anything, because it's actually quite expensive, the scales, and it's a precision instrument as well. So we want to take a good care of it. The other good practice is to always put things into the center when you're weighing them. Let's see, oh, very close. Let's take a smaller. There we are. 6.0 grams, and often these scales will go to 2 decimal places, which is actually preferable. Anyway, so there we have it. I have my metal. So you'd be wise if you go into the technician's office, bring another baggie so that you can separate your metal into 30 grams and 6 grams.